What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Love Letter by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, once you get done with the video, make sure you check the description below. I've left a free ebook there for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's just a little gift that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel. It's great for all skill levels, so once you're done with the video, go get your free ebook, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright, you guys, so the chords for this song aren't too difficult. What's probably going to be your most challenging part of the song is going to be the strumming and getting the strumming pattern down the way that it's played in the song. The formation that you're using is just your index and your pinky finger. You can use your ring finger instead of your pinky if that's more comfortable for you. It's more comfortable for me to use my pinky. Either one works, it doesn't really matter. And you're using the same chord formation. The first one is going to be on your 9th fret on your A string, and then your pinky finger is going to be on your 11th fret on your D string. Those are the only two strings. You can let your finger kind of lay on your D string and mute it. Those are the only two strings you're going to be strumming through this entire song, and I kind of let the rest of my hand lay on the other strings so it mutes those as well. So I can strum all the strings and you're only hearing those two. The next formation is just slide that same formation down 2 frets to the 7th fret and the 9th fret, and then slide it all the way up to the 12th fret and the 14th fret. So first, second, third. Those two chords are the first pair of chords that are played twice. Then you're back to 9 and 7. Go up 1 fret to 10 and 12. And then go down to 5 and 7, and then to 4 and 6. So without strumming along to the song, this is the way the chords look. 9 and 11, 7 and 9, 12 and 14, repeat, 9 and 11, 7 and 9, 12 and 14, go back to 9 and 11, 10 and 12, 5 and 7, 4 and 6. I'm going to break this down into segments so that you guys can practice them individually before trying to throw it all together, because it might get a little confusing trying to do the whole thing at one time. So the first set of chords starts with a down, down, up, down, up, down, up, switch, down, up, switch, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more time. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And in the song, that's played twice, so do the same thing 2 times in a row. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Go back to your 9 and 11 formation. This is where it changes. So you're starting this with a down, down, up. And then on the next down, you don't strum, but you just slide your fingers up to give it that slide sound. Down, down, up, down. Just like that, one more time. Down, down, up, down, slide. Down, down, up, down, slide. Now when you're on your 10 and your 12, after you've slid, you're doing a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So slide, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The whole part with the slide looks like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you're jumping down to 5 and 7. Your 5 is the same thing, it's just a down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you give a little pause when you change and you start with an up strum on your 4 and 6. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Those two together look like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more time slowly. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So starting from the top, I'm going to play through the whole thing slowly so you guys can see it all together. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I'm gonna do it one more time slowly just so you guys can really get it down, okay? Starts here. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I know if you're a beginner, this strumming can be very frustrating at first. Just keep looping through this video, keep watching it. The more you watch it and practice it, even if you don't get it at first and it doesn't seem like you're gonna get it, you will get it, I promise. Just keep watching the video, keep repeating it, because the more that you watch it, the easier it will start to fall into place and all make sense, and it's really fun to play once you get it down. So keep practicing. It may be frustrating at first, but you will get it down soon. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to grab your free ebook in the description below, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If there's any comments or questions or concerns or any songs that you guys want me to teach you, leave that in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.